Losing weight tips and tricks that work. Whatever fitted yesterday, may not fit you today. That is a simple problem that many people face in our modern world, causing them to turn to weight loss plans. We all take a different approach to weight loss. The video below will discuss some of them and provide you with some useful tips on your endeavor. Getting enough sleep every night is actually very important when losing weight. A lack of sleep brings about irritability, an inability to focus, and most importantly, a lack of energy. Fatigue brings about both a reduction of physical activity and an increase in behaviors, like overeating, which lead to weight gain. Feeling hungry causes us to eat. Eating causes us to gain weight. Feeling full reduces our feeling of hunger. So a way to lose weight is to full more often. One way you can trick your body into feeling full more often is by eating spicy foods that have more capsaicin in them, such as foods lightly spiced with cayenne or jalapeno pepper. No need to overdo it, just enough to burn a little will do fine. Eat more nuts when you are trying to lose weight. Nuts are a great snack food and can be used in place of meat in salads and stir-fries. There are a wide variety of nuts, so that you won't get bored of eating them. You can even soak nuts in water before you eat them for a different texture. Getting enough rest and relaxation is, surprisingly, very helpful when trying to lose weight. A common reaction among people when they are stressed is to eat or drink more. It can give a sense of well-being or a reward for accomplishing tasks. Getting enough rest and doing something enjoyable to relax can be substituted as a reward. It is more satisfying in the long run than eating something and it's fat-free. Weight loss is sped by movement. Take every opportunity you can to move. Studies have shown people who fidget are less likely to be overweight than people who don't. When you are stuck in a waiting room or a desk, shake your legs and move your arms around. This keeps your metabolism running. One helpful tip for weight loss and a healthy diet is to shop the perimeter of the grocery store. Typically, the sides of the grocery store have unprocessed produce and other basics, such as dairy products and meat. One exception might be, if you are shopping for bread, which often is located in the center of the store. A good way to lose weight is to do some sort of aerobic exercise. These kinds of exercises involve almost all of the muscles in your body, but more importantly your heart. By doing 20 minutes worth of strenuous activity every day, your heart gains enough muscle to beat less times per minute during the rest of the time. Fit into your clothes by sticking to a proper weight loss plan. You can take a do-it-yourself approach by simply following some of the tips in this video. If you strive to use the tips, you will likely see yourself losing some weight within the first few weeks. Losing those pounds takes time, but it also builds your self-confidence. Now that I have shown you the 3 mistakes that make gain weight, I have another free offer for you, the intermittent fasting formula. You will really love it. Are you looking for a better and faster way to lose weight and get healthy? You need to use the intermittent fasting formula. What is intermittent fasting formula? Intermittent fasting is a way of eating that focuses not on what you eat but when you eat it. Based on the ancient concept of fasting, this diet protocol can be done in several ways but with the same goals of improving overall well-being and health and achieving a healthy body weight. People often like intermittent fasting more than other types of diet because it allows them to eat the foods that they enjoy without being restricted to fat-free or low-calorie meals. Click the link below and access the intermittent fasting formula for free.